Hello, my name is Neal Ford, and I will be teaching a Fundamentals of Software Architecture workshop coming up this spring. In this course, I will cover architectural thinking, what it takes to think like a software architect, architecture characteristics analysis, determining the entities of software architecture, component-based thinking, how to do logical component design, architecture characteristics analysis plus logical component design, the two aspects of structural design and software architecture that lead you to choosing the appropriate architecture style, which is our next section of this workshop. Then we talk a bit about diagramming architecture, and finally, how to document these important architecture decisions you've been making all along the way. This is a hands-on one-day workshop, so join me on May 23rd in Vienna for Software Architecture Fundamentals. I hope to see you there.